Hide and test its P square. Casting defect is an important topic as a high yielding 10 mark or a 5 mark question comes from this in BDS Dental Materials second year final exam. Question comes as write steps of casting procedure and explain casting defects, or as a short note on casting defects and how to avoid it. An error in the procedure often results in defective casting. It is classified into 5 types as distortion, surface roughness, incomplete casting and contaminated casting. First, we need to know what is distortion. It means deformation, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का शेप और साइज में चेंज होना. As wax is soft, it undergoes distortion which occurs during setting of investment as hydroscopic or setting expansion or during manipulation due to release of stress. It can be minimized by manipulation of wax at high temperature, investing pattern within an hour after fabrication and store it in refrigerator if required. Surface roughness means surface irregularities occur due to presence of air bubble on wax pattern resulting in nodule formation on casting, avoided by proper mixing of investment and use of wetting agent on wax pattern. Too rapid heating the investment cause fins. To avoid it, we heat the ring gradually to 700 degrees Celsius in an hour. Improper water powder ratio, disintegration of investment due to prolonged heating, overheating of metal like gold, using too high or too low pressure. Composition of investment, surface texture is determined by particle size of content of the investment, as coarse silica produce coarse casting. Foreign body inclusion may cause concavity in casting. Porosity. 5 mark question comes as explain porosities in casting. It can be external or internal. External cause discoloration of casting and internal one weaken the casting. Severe porosities can also cause secondary caries. Types of porosities caused by solidification shrinkage are localized shrinkage porosity. Why this happen? Usually sprue former लास्ट में solidify होता है, it act as reservoir, लेकिन इसमें रिवर्स होता है जिस कारण कास्टिंग की solidification shrinkage compensate नहीं हो पाती. Large voids are formed near sprue casting junction, avoided by using sprue of correct thickness and attach it to the thickest part of wax pattern. Moreover, flare the sprue at attachment with pattern. Next is suckback porosity. Occur due to creation of hot spot. But why hot spot is created? Because during casting, hot metal continuously strike to mold wall near sprue, जिससे उस रीजन का टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता है, जिस कारण उस रीजन का मेटल लास्ट में सॉलिडिफाई होता है, which result in external void, avoided by reducing the temperature difference between the mold and the molten alloy. Microporosity. Porosity caused by gas are pinhole porosity, gas inclusion and subsurface porosity. In solidification shrinkage, porosity is irregular, while in gas inclusion it is spherical. Microporosity is fine irregular void when casting is cooled rapidly. Pinhole porosity, as some metal dissolve gas when molten and release them upon solidification, resulting in tiny voids. Example is platinum and palladium absorb hydrogen and copper and silver absorb oxygen. Gas inclusion porosity, large spherical voids due to dissolved gases, but more likely due to gases carried in or trapped by molten alloy, as poorly adjusted blowtorch can also occlude gases caused by air trapped in mold is back pressure porosity. मतलब कि जब हम मोल्टन मेटल को मोल्ड में फ्लो कराते हैं तो एयर बाहर नहीं आ पाती ड्यू टू बल्क ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, एंड pressure in the mold due to air increases resulting in porosity. Avoided by using adequate casting force. Investment should be adequately porous. In large castings, vent should be provided. There should be maximum 6 to 8 mm gap between the wax pattern and the end of ring. These were different types of porosities. Incomplete casting occurs when insufficient alloy is used. Alloy is not able to flow into thin parts of mold. Mold is not heated to casting temperature. Premature solidification of alloy resulting in blockage of flow of molten alloy. Blockage of sprue due to foreign bodies. Low casting pressure. Back pressure due to gases, or alloy is not sufficiently molten. Last is contaminated casting. Occurs due to oxidation, that is by overheating the alloy, failure to use flux, or use of oxidizing zone of flame. Sulfur compounds cause black casting. जब इन्वेस्टमेंट को ओवरहीट करते हैं अबव 700 डिग्री सेल्सियस, जिससे इन्वेस्टमेंट डिकम्पोज होकर सल्फर कंपाउंड्स बनते हैं जो कि मेटल के साथ बाइंड कर सल्फर फिल्म बनाते हैं और हम उसको पिकलिंग के साथ रिमूव नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज ऑल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. मेक श्योर टू शेयर द नॉलेज विद योर फ्रेंड्स. कीप सपोर्टिंग.